Good evening, students. Now we are going to discuss today test paper. First question: angle between A bar and B bar is 5/4 is given, and the length of longer diagonal of parallelogram having adjacent sides are 5A bar and 2B bar, A bar minus 3B bar. Okay. First vector I'll take some C bar, 5A bar plus 2B bar. D bar is A bar minus 3B bar. Now, first I'll find some vector you won't give long diagonal or lengthy diagonal. 5A plus A, that is 6A bar minus B bar. So less. Now if I take subtraction, that is another diagonal. 5A minus, that is a 4A. 2 minus 7 is plus 3, that is 5B bar. I'll find magnitude of this 5 whole square I'll take. The length we need to find out. Now you know mod of A bar plus B bar whole square formula. Mod A bar square mod B bar square plus 2A dot B. 2 into 4 into 5, that is total 40 A bar dot B bar. A bar dot B bar means what formula? Mod A bar into mod B bar cos theta. What is theta? Angle between A and B is 5/4. 16 into mod A bar is 2 root 2 whole square is 8. Now 25 into mod B bar is 3 square 9 plus 40 into 2 root 2 into 3 into cos 45 is 1 by root. Root to root cancel. Now here 16 8s are, that is 128 plus 25 9s are 225 plus 120. Okay. This total 120 is 240 will come because 2 also there next time. Total 240. Adding this all will get how much? 593. Now this will be the longest diagonal. If you find this length, we won't get this much. So mod of 4A bar plus 5B bar is square root of 593. First option is correct. See second one. Second one, the number of solutions. Okay, lambda value given. Number of solutions of system of equations is how many solutions we need to find out. Okay, first find out delta value. 3 minus 1 4 1 2 minus 3 6 5 lambda. By expanding this one, finally the value is 7 into lambda plus 5. Now this one depending on delta equal to 0 or not equal to 0, depending on lambda value. To find lambda, they give one condition here. Now from this condition, cross multiply with the denominator, t square lambda plus 3 lambda t plus 4 lambda equal to t square minus 3t plus 4. Now taking all terms left side, t square common remaining lambda minus 1, t common remaining 3 lambda. 3 also if you take common, what will get? 3 into lambda plus 1 will get remaining 4 lambda minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, now here this is like ax square plus bx plus c. It's clearly t is what they given here real. For real roots, discriminant is clearly what? Greater than or equal to 0. Discriminant means t coefficient. What's a b? 3. So 9 lambda plus 1 whole square minus 4 into a value lambda minus 1, c value 4 lambda minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Or line 9 lambda square, next 9, not 9, 2 lambda, no, that's be 18 lambda will come. Here minus 4 into, that is 4 lambda square, minus 4 lambda minus 4, that is minus 8 lambda plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Now here minus 16, 9 minus 6, that is minus 7 lambda square. 18 lambda minus 7 is plus 13, that is total 50 lambda. 9 minus 16, that is minus 7 greater than or equal to 0. Now multiply with minus 7, that is 7 lambda square minus 50 lambda plus 7 less than or equal to 0. If you make factors, you will get 7 lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 7 less than or equal to 0. From this we can get the lambda value. Take 7 is common, what will you get? Lambda minus 1 by 7 into lambda minus 7 less than or equal to 0. Here lambda lies in between 1 by 7 to 7. Here any negative value is there, because when this value becomes 0, lambda compulsory minus 5. That's why for any value of lambda, so delta is not equal to 0 for all. Lambda belongs to from where to where? 1 by 7 to 7. 1 by 7 to 7. Therefore, determinant is not equal to 0 means then for a system of equations has only one solution. One solution means which option is correct? Sorry, not second option. Now, first option is correct. Next, same third one. Third one easy you can do in this third question. First, I will find out LHL. Not equal to 0 means for less than 0, greater than 0, function is same. LHL means limit extends to 0 minus x plus 1 power into 2 power minus of less than 0 mod x is minus, that is minus 1 by x plus 1 by x. So both are cancelled, 2 power 0. Let me x value 0 substitute. 0 plus 1 into 2 power 0, that is 1 actually. It's right hand limit. Limit extends to 0 plus x plus 1 into 2 power minus of 1 by x plus 1 by x. Limit extends to 0 plus x plus 1 into 2 power, what will you get? Minus 2 by x. Minus 2 by x. Condition is okay, you can substitute your x value, no problem. Here 0 plus 1, no problem. But here if you substitute 2 power minus 2 by 0, that is infinity. Okay, now 2 power infinity, it is approaching infinity. But 1 by 2 power infinity approaching what? 0. That's why it becomes what? 1 by 2 power infinity, that is 1 by 0. It is infinity. But what happened here? Left hand limit not equal to right hand limit. That's why option 4 is the correct one. Next. See next one. Integral secant square x into cosecant power 4x dx is equal to f of x. Here I am writing secant square x. This will become sine power 4x dx. It is nothing but f of x equal to now secant square x by I'm changing to tan. This I'm writing like this. Tan power 4x into cos power 4x. How? Dividing with cos power. Okay. Now from this secant square x into this will becomes what? Secant power 4x into dx by tan power 4x dx. In this secant square x, this you can write tan square x plus 1 tan secant square whole square by tan power 4x dx. Now I am taking tan x is t, because derivative is present in that. Differentiate between what will get secant square x dx equal to dt. Now from this, secant square x dx is a dt, remaining what? T square plus 1 whole square by t power 4 into dt. Now expand in numerator, t power 4 plus 1 plus 2t square by t power 4 into dt. I divided the t power 4 1 by t power 4, that is t power minus 4 t power, or I can keep 2 by t square, because integral of 1 by x square we know already minus 1 by x. So 1, so t power x power n form x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Integral of 1 dt is t. So it becomes what? T power minus 3 by 3 will get. This is minus 2 by t plus c. Is which one? F of x. T nothing but tan x. Tan x minus is 1 by t, that is by tan cube x will get minus 2 by tan x. That's what here. C. This we can write tan x cot cube x by 3 minus 2 cot x. First they given f of pi by 6 is minus 8 by root 3. Means x value pi by 6. F of x value minus 8 by root 3. Tan 30, that is 1 by root 3. Cot 30 is root 3. Root 3 whole cube is 3 root 3 by 3 minus 3 2 root 3 plus c. 3 cancel. 1 by root 3 send the left side. Minus 8 by root 3 minus 1 by, that is minus 9 by root 3 right side. Minus root 3 minus 2 root, that is minus 3 to 3 plus c. 9 we can add 3 into 3 now. That will become minus 3 root 3 equal to minus 3 root 3. Both cancel. What is the c value? C value 0. Okay. After getting c value 0, this take it as 1. This is f of x. Now we need to find out f of pi by 4. X value pi by 4 substitute tan pi by 4 1. So 1 by 3 minus 2 into cot pi by 4 also 1 plus c value 0. Take LCM. 1 minus, that is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 by 3, that is minus 4 by 3. Third option is correct. Next, fifth one. Or you can take as a 65 question. A man on top of a vertical tower observes a car moving at uniform speed. A man stands here, a position, directed towards it. It takes 12 into 2, 3 minus 1 minutes for angle of depression to change from 30 degrees to 45 degrees. Okay, here 30 degrees is there. When he is moving towards the tower, the angle of depression what here reached here 45 degrees. Okay, here this one what A, B, C. Now here this one is unknown, X take, Y take. Forms is isosceles right angle triangle because it forms with changing the position. That's why this length and this length both are equal. Okay, now the given time duration. Time means we know estimate is a speed by time we can take. Now time means what? This product of conditions we can take. Time and distance into speed relations we can take values. Now in this, now what we are taking from triangle ABC, find out tan 30 degrees. This what is opposite side x, base is x plus y. Tan 30, that is 1 by root 3 equal to x by x plus y. Now x plus y is equal to root 3x. Now y value find out from this. Y only we need to find. What is the reaching time? What time we need to reach in this? Root 3x, and that means root 3 minus 1 into x. Here this travel time is given. What is the time is given? Values are distance given. Minutes to take values. Now y is how much is given here values wise. If we take whatever time duration we are taking, is how much is given? 12 into root 3 minus 1. We are taking as not lengthwise. How much time duration is traveled from one point to another point. Root 3 minus 1 is cancelled. From this x value, how many minutes it will travel to reach the tower? Total x value how much? You will get a clearly 12 minutes it will reach. Next, max value of f of x is equal to 0 to 1 t into sine of x plus I t dt we need to find out. Directly we can't get value, so we need to simplify this. Now for that, given term integral 0 to 1 t into sine of x plus pi t into dt, apply integration by parts. U, this is v dash, u t into integral of u v dash, integration only v will come. That's why minus cos of x plus pi t by x is treated like a constant. Inner function derivative pi. Limits from where to where? 0 to 1. Minus integral 0 to 1 t derivative 1. Integration what will come? Minus sine of x plus pi t by pi into dt. Now upper limit substitute, that is minus 1 into cos of x plus pi by pi. Lower limit 0, not t value 0, total value 0. Okay. So minus into minus plus. Okay. Plus value. Here not sine, cos will get. Integral of sine is cos. Plus again integral of cos, what will get? Sine x plus pi t by one more pi will come pi square. This from where to where 0 to 1 is minus cos pi plus theta is what? Minus cos theta. That is minus of minus plus sine x by pi. Here also upper limit substitute means what we get? Sine plus pi by pi square. Take lower limit 0 means t value 0 remaining sine x by pi square. Here sine x by pi. So what will come? Minus sine x by pi square. Sorry, here cos x only, cos x. Here also cos x. Minus sin x by pi square. Overall, this integral term, what will get? Cos x by pi minus 2 sin x by pi square. This is a value. For this value, we need to find maximum term. Now, here onwards, we need to take this is some function of x1. Maximum minimum concept we need to apply. Take it as f of x. Any maximum or minimum, what will take? F dash of x equal to 0. Cos derivative minus sin x by pi. Here minus 2 cos x by pi square is equal to 0. I'm taking. So minus sin x by pi is equal to 2 cos x by pi square. On pi value cancel. Send minus that side. Sin by cos. These are tan x is equal to what? Minus 2 by pi. From this, by using Pythagoras theorem to find maximum value, I'm not taking the double derivative multiplied. Sin value and cos value. To find that value, I'm taking here. This is minus 2. This is pi. This is how much will come? Pi square plus 1. Directly I'm writing f of maximum value. Maximum of f of x. Substitute cos x value. What is cos x value? At this pi by adjacent by hypotenuse into pi minus 2 pi square into sin x. What will get? Minus 2 by hypotenuse is pi square plus 4. Okay. Here pi cancel. Denominator LCM is pi square into root of pi square plus 4. This pi square will multiply here. Remaining minus 2 into 2 minus plus 4. Is like without root, here with root. X by root x means root x. That's why what is the answer? Root of pi square plus 4 by pi square. So that is option 2 is the correct one. Next. LCM of 1 to 200 equal to k into LCM of 102 to 200. Then what is the value of k? In this LCM of 1, 2, 3 and so on 100 has a multiple of LCM of from where to where 102, 103 and so on up to 200. Some multiples are there in this. So we can combine these two. The LCM of 1, 2, 3, so on 100, 102, 103 and so on 200. Reason here 101 is no common factor. Now we cannot factor there, and it is a excluding value. Is equal to this one. I am writing like this. K into what? LCM of 102, 103 and so on 200. Now, which term is not having factors? That is 101 has no factors. That's why this is extra we leave while doing LCM of both equality. So what you will take here? K is equal to what here? 101 is the extra term. So 101, 2, 300 to 101 to 102 to 200. There is some multiples are there, but for 101 there is no multiple value exist. Okay. Next. So which option is correct? We can take so option 2 is the correct one. Next. Coefficient of term independent of x in the expansion. Okay. You keep this one. For this, I'll find out general term TR plus 1 9CR. X power x means 3 by 2 x square whole power 9 minus r minus 1 whole power r by 3 power r into x power r. This is 9CR 3 by 2 whole power 9 minus r. Now 1 by 3 power also keep like that. Minus 1 whole power r remaining x power 18 minus 2r. 2r and this one more r is there. It will come to numerator total what? 18 minus 3r. Okay, this independent means it's a multiply with other value. Okay, here multiplication if you take. Now this term if you multiply with general term, what is the x power is there? 18 minus 3r. If you multiply inside, r must be a perfect number which you take absolute, not any rational number. 1 into 18 minus 3r. If you take x means power here 1, 19 minus 3r. So it is a won't give perfect number. So it is not a coefficient of anything. 2 into x power 321, that is 21 minus 3r. This only this two will gives correctly. So here 18 minus 3r is 0. R value 6 will get 21 minus 3r 0 means R value 7. Now in simple first coefficient when R is equal to 6, coefficient is 9c6, 3 by 2 whole power 9 minus 6 is 3, 1 by 3 power 6 minus 1 whole power 6 plus only, this will becomes 0 because your coefficient also not there anything. This is one value. You need to simplify this. Next, same R value 7 means I'm adding immediately. Plus 2 also coefficient is there, that also take 2 into 9c7, 3 by 2, 9 minus 7, 2. And the next 1 by 3 power 7 minus 1 whole power 1 is minus. If you simplify this, you will get the answer finally 17 by 54 by applying formulas. Okay. Next, the number of values of theta belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 pi by 2 have non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution nothing but what? Delta is equal to 0. You will get a answer for this question. Okay. Number of non-trivial solutions for any angle in between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 will get only one solution. You can do easily this one. Second option is correct. Delta value take first, then immediately do one operation C1 plus C2 plus C3. There you will get one common factor, that is sin theta plus cos theta plus tan theta. This value you never get 0 some values. Okay, now where non-trivial means what? Non-trivial solution means delta value is equal to 0, but non-zero solutions. Non-zero solution means what here? Condition wise, here this for any angle in this interval never gets 0. It's clearly condition wise. Whatever terms you are taking, see clearly satisfy the notations. Okay. For example, if you take a pi by 4 only take, or minus pi by 4, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by root 2, here 1 by root 2, 0 cancel. Tan minus by 4 is minus 1. Okay, some value will get. So here remaining factors maybe 0 is possible. That's why only as a non-trivial solutions only one non-trivial solution, because at that notation it is not equal to 0, value will come in the given interval. Next, 3 positive angles, acute angles, alpha, beta, gamma. This is the term is given. First, tan beta by 2 equal to 1 by 3 into cot of alpha by 2. Now here cot means 1 by tan we can write now. From this tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2 we can write is 1 by 3. Okay. Now take the second condition, cot gamma by 2. 1 by 2 multiply inside 3 by 2 tan alpha by 2 plus 1 by 2 cot alpha by 2. Now I am taking, we need to find alpha plus beta plus gamma. For taking that values, right, to find relation between alpha, beta, gamma, I am taking tan of alpha plus beta by 2. Like tan of a plus b, tan alpha by 2 plus tan beta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2. Okay. Now from this, tan alpha by 2, what is tan beta by 2? Nothing but 1 by 3 cot alpha by 2 by 1 minus tan alpha by t and tan beta by t is 1 by 3. Okay, here tan alpha plus beta by 2 equal to 1 minus 1 by the 2 by 3 now. 2 by 3 means reverse 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into tan alpha by 2 plus 1 by 3 into cot alpha by 2. This 3 by 2 multiply inside. 3 by 2 tan alpha by 2. 3 3 cancel. 1 by 2 cot alpha by 2. This whole value nothing but which one? Cot gamma by 2. Left side, to compare the angles, we need to change cot also in terms of tan. How to change in terms of tan? Tan pi by 2 minus gamma by 2. Tan cancel. Now alpha plus beta by 2. Here pi minus gamma by 2. Now send gamma left side. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to how much? Pi radians. Next, question number 71 I can take. The plane containing the line passes through the point. Passing through the point is what here? 3B3. On the same line, DR's notations are what? 3, 4, 3 is there. Now to find equation of plane, it is also passing through. If this is A point, B, C. 3 points also there on this. Different points. Okay. Now to find first equation of a plane, need to find a 3a plus 5b. Equation of a plane. I'm taking x minus x1. This I'll take x1, y1, z1. Because in first point unknown symbol is there, again difficult. X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. And its normal DRs are what? These three are normal DRs. Means with along same plane is there. Those values are what I can take? It's perpendicular to that plane. No, that's all. These two forms clearly see two symbols. Now this values becomes what? Perpendicular to the plane. Okay. Now x minus x1. X minus x1 is 2. Y minus y1 1. Z minus z1 4. X2 minus x1 0. 2 1. Here 2 4 3. How means it's normal DRs? Okay, it is already perpendicular. Now these values form a clearly normal DRs. A bar plus B bar also lying on this one. Now what will happen? A bar, B bar, 2 points lying on that. Then its cross product is becomes parallel to this one. General notation we are taking. Okay, so subtraction wise also. It is clearly passing to that one and having AB lines. Okay. By expanding this, we'll get the equation of plane is, or equation of plane will get by expand. Expanding, we'll get a plane equation is x plus y minus 2z plus 5 equal to 0. Now this plane is also passing through which points? This A point, and there is a point on the line that is also lying on the plane. Okay, 3B with 3. So now substitute which point? So A comma 1 comma 2, and then 3 comma B comma 3 also. So A, x value A plus 1 minus 4 plus 5 equal to 0. From this A value you get minus 2. Next 3 substitute 3 plus B minus 6 plus 5. 8 minus 6 that is 2. B also how much? Minus 2. That's why 3A plus 5B what will get? Minus 16. Next. A, B, C, D 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y is equal to x square plus ax plus b. There's no common point, no point in common. So the maximum possible values of a minus c whole square plus b minus d whole square. A, B, C, D from 1 to 5 we should take. Okay, for example, if we equate these two equations, the condition will get. Now send C this side, B send right side. A minus C into x is equal to D minus B. X must be D minus B by A minus C. But here there is no common point. No? That's why this common point, that's why must be it does not exist. When it does not exist, But a value C equal to C, T must be not equal to B. That's why here A minus C becomes what here? 0. Now the maximum value of A minus C whole square plus B minus D. Now in this maximum of 0. Now when you will get maximum in 1 to 5, now one value B must be highest, D must be least among 1 to 5. That's why B I need to take 5, D take 1. That's why maximum how much we get? 4. Next one. Actually, question I changed in your test exam. We no need to find this one. We need to find d by dx of g of x value at x is equal to 3. Okay. Now here f of 0 is already 2 is given. Okay. Now this equation I'll differentiate with respect to x and consider y as constant. Okay. Because to find g is inverse of f now. Find that function, we need to eliminate y term here. So f square derivative 2 f of x into f dash of x, f square by derivative 0, 3 into f dash of x, 0, root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. By sending the 3 f dash of x this side, what will come? Take common, 2 f of x minus 3 into f dash of x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. From this we need f of x directly we can't get. Integrating this one. Now derivative of this one is present now, that's why put f of x is equal to t. Okay. Now while taking f of x is equal to t, or total value you can take, whole function you can take. 2 f of x minus 3 is equal to t. Differentiate means what will come? 2 total to the right side force means f dash of x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Okay. Taking 1 by 2 dt, 1 by 2 into integral of total t into dt. Okay. Taking the dx left side also is equal to integral of 1 by 2 root x into dx. So 1 by 2 integral of t is t square by 2. Integral of 1 by 2 root x is root x plus c. This total t square. T means what? 2 f of x minus 3 whole square by what? 4 here root x plus c. They given f of 0. That means x value 0. F of x value given how much? 2. X0 means f of 0. 2 2 are 4. 4 minus 3 1. 1 by 4 is equal to 0 plus c. C value clearly how much? 1 by 4. From this 2 into f of x minus 3 whole square by 4 is equal to root x plus 1 by 4. Now from this notation, now we need to find the f of x. 2 f of x minus 3 whole square is equal to what will get? 4 root x plus 1. From this directly I am writing f of x will get 1 by 2 into 3 plus root of 4 root x plus 1. Okay, this is the which function? F of x function. Now, if you differentiate this one, we need f dash of x also. If you differentiate this f dash of x, what will get? 1 by 2, 3 derivative 0. This derivative what? 1 by 2 root of 4 root x plus 1 into 4 root x derivative is 4 into 1 by 2 root x. Okay, here 2 1s are, 2 2s are, and 1 more 2 gets cancelled. Total what? 1 by 2 into root x into root of 4 root x plus 1. Now we need to find derivative of g of x at 3. Okay. Now g is inverse of f now. When g is inverse of f means we can take values wise. G of f of x equal to x. By differentiating this one, g dash of f of x into f dash of x equal to 1. Now g dash of f of x equal to 1 by f dash of x. 1 by f dash of x. Okay, but here what we need actually, what we need g dash of 3 required. G dash of 3. That means when g dash of 3 means f of x 3 must be. F of x, if you take 3 only, g dash of 3 will come. When f of x is 3, then x value must be 4. Okay. Now for that, g dash of 3 equal to 1 by f dash of 4. If you substitute in f dash of x 4 value, what will you get? 1 by 2 into root 4 is 2 into root of 2, 4 into root 4 is 2, 4 to the 8, 8 plus 1, 9, it is root 9 is 3. Total 14, 1 by 14 is 12 is the answer, okay? Fourth option is correct. Next. Number 14. 14 I'll give a hint, you can try. Now first of all, you'll write this value d square x by dx square. So dy square is d square y by dx square into dx by dy whole power minus 3. This you take into denominator. It is into will come. You did reverse means it is minus d square y by dx square into, now what is the value will come in this case? Whole value dy by dx whole cube will get. Now here we need to differentiate one more time with v. Okay, differentiate one more time with respect to x only, then you will get easily differentiate with respect to x on both sides. You will get answer option 4 you will get. Next, f of x. Now here function nature we need to find out depending on from 1 to 2e. Exactly 1 to e infinity we are taking. Now we'll take different conditions. Okay, first for example starts from 1 onwards up to less than e. X value 1 if you take for example log 1 0 only now, that's by x by 1 plus 0, that is x only. If you take x value e log e 1 1 1, how many times? Infinity times 1 multiplying also 1 only, that's why it is what? X by 2. If I take x is more than e, what will happen? This is a larger value to infinity times we are multiplying e value, for example 2.74, it is a log e like that. We are taking more than e means e square like that. Any number you can take. For example 3 only, log 3 how many times? Infinite time. That's why x by this is a larger up to infinity. Here anything by infinity what will get 0. That's why here for more than values you will get what? 0 only. Now take the interval 1 to 2e f of x dx is equal to, I am splitting interval 1 to e f of x dx. Next from e to 2e f of x dx. 1 to e, what is the function? X dx. E2 more than e means what is the function? 0. The value is what? Clearly 0. Now integral of x is what? X square by 2 from 1 to e, substitute upper limit e square by 2 1 by 2. Now by taking LCM, numerator is e square minus 1, that is first option is correct. Next 76 f of 1 is 1 given. A limit x t tends to x, t cube into f of x minus x cube into f of t by t square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2. Directly substitute x, t value x means 0 minus 0, 0 by 0 form will come. So apply L hospital rule. Here we need to differentiate with respect to t only. Here treat x as a constant, okay? Now t cube derivative 3t square into f of x minus x cube into f of t derivative is f dash of t by 2t x square derivative 0. 2 cancel here. Substitute x value 3x square f of x minus x cube into f dash of x is equal to or by x equal to 1. Now one x value gets cancelled. Remaining what? All terms are same right side. Remaining what? 3x f of x minus x square f dash of x is equal to 1. I'm interchanging this whole values, take other side, 1 send this side, or multiply with minus. What will get? X square f dash of x minus 3x into f of x is equal to minus 1. f dash of x nothing but dy by dx minus 3x f of x nothing but y minus 1. Now divide with its whole linear differential equation. Divide with x square. What will get dy by dx minus 3x by x square means 3 by x will get y is equal to minus 1 by x square. From here apply linear differential equation concept. We'll get the f of x value clearly, that is will satisfy first option, it is 1 by 4x 3x cube. Option of third option will satisfy. Okay, linear differential equation already done, that you get right. Okay, next here a value what they given by taking LCM, limit extends to 1. LCM is x log x. Now 1x value will multiply here, x square minus 1. Substitute x value 1 means 0 by 0 form will come. Apply L'Hospital rule. Limit extends to 1. X square derivative 2x. UV formula. X into log x derivative 1 by x. Log x into x derivative 1. Here x cancel. Now substitute x value 1. 2. 1 plus log 1 value 0. That's why a value 2 we get. Next B. For B also apply L'Hospital rule because 0 by 0 form will come. Now by applying L'Hospital rule, what will get 3x square minus 16 by 4x derivative 4, x square derivative 2x. Now substitute limit 0 minus 16 by 4 plus 0, that is minus 4 is the B value. Next C value. Limit extends to 0, log of 1 plus tan x by x. For this, I'm dividing with the tan x and multiply with the tan x. Now, we have already formula limit extends to 0, log of 1 plus x by x is equal to 1, where x approaching 0. Like that, when x is 0, tan x also 0 only. No? So limit of this value 1, limit extends 0, tan x by x also 1. That's why C value 1 will get. Next D. Limit extends to minus 1, x plus 1 whole cube by 3 into sine of x plus 1 minus of x plus 1. Okay, this is the value is there. Now in this packets of 0 by 0 form, same L'Hospital rule, but we need to apply twice. 3 into x plus 1 whole square by 3 into sine derivative cos of x plus 1 minus 1. Okay, now we have 3 cancel. Again, if substitute means again what will get 0 by 0 form only. So one more time differentiate this. Now 3 into that is 3 cancel now, remaining only 2 into x plus 1 by cos derivative what here minus sine of x plus 1. Again for limit approaching minus 1, sine x by x1, this is becomes 1, total value minus 2. Now they given A matrix. A matrix is ABCD, A value 2, B value minus 4, C value 1, D value minus 2. Okay. Now here that A value clearly what will get 0. And one more thing, if you find out A square matrix, null matrix will come. Now any matrix power m is a positive integer, 0 means then that matrix we called as nilpotent matrix. So option 4 is the correct one. Next. 78. Boolean expression x by implies by conditional negation y equivalent to which one? Okay, take this as a P. This is equivalent to, we can write like this, that is how we can write in terms of implication x, implication negation y, and negation y implication x. This both are equal only will come. Okay, this we are changing again, but any function P implies Q is equivalent to what? P negation P or Q we can write. Okay. As for that, here negation X or negation Y, and the negation of negation Y is Y or X. Okay. As for that, now I am taking negation is common, X or Y. Next, negation common, na? symbol changes and x or y. For this, we need to find negation value. Okay. Now negation p equivalent. Negation of negation. Cancel x and y and becomes r. Here negation x, r becomes and negation y. And which option is there? X and y and r or negation x and negation y. That's the first option is correct. Next. I mean, a circular ring of radius 3 cm suspended horizontally from 0.4 cm vertically. Now this is a center. From here, vertically 4 cm traveled. This is P point. Now the vertical, whatever strings we are taking, A, B, C and D. 4 are there on the curve. This is also length. We know already this length is 4. And the angle subtended at the center is clearly, we know it is 90 degrees. Okay, so 90 degrees is existed condition wise. So here, diagram, just understand. Here angle AOB must be 90 degrees at because any 2 points subtend to the angle at center is clearly what here. This is center. I'm taking O. Now angle AOB clearly how many degrees? 90 degrees. Now from triangle AOP also, AOP we are taking AOP. It's also right angle triangle. This AP square is hypotenuse. AP square is equal to OA square plus OP square. The OA length nothing but radius. Radius already 3 given. 3 square 9 plus OP is a distance of upward 4 cm. That is 16. Now from this AP value, how much will come? AP value clearly 5. This length 5 we got. Now equal intervals are given. That's why each arc lengths are equal circumference. Angle between two consecutive strings be theta. Now for example, these two strings I'm taking this is theta. I need to find the notation wise cos theta value we need to find out. The angle AOB is 90, but at P point to AOP, we don't know APB cos theta we need to find out. Next, we don't know AB square also. Now to find AB square, here AB if you join A and B points, it also forms right angle triangle where AB is here, condition right angle will come. Now here from triangle ABC, AB square is equal to AOB can take better for find that length. You have right angle triangle only, na? So AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. Both are radius only represent. Now that's why it's total 9 plus 9, 18. AB square is 18. That is 3 root 3. Root 2 ma. 3 root 2 will get. Now from triangle ABP cos theta at P point, na, for this opposite is AB. Remaining two sides are AP and BP. Okay. AP length AP square plus by cosine rule minus AB square divided by here when AP, BP because equal strength is given strings are equal. So here AP and AB both are same. BP length also same will get by 2 AP into BP. AP square 5 square 25 plus 25. This is AB square means 18 divided by 2 into 5 into 5. Okay. Now 25, 20, 50. 50 minus 18 is 32. By this how much will come? 50 will come. This is a 2 cancel 16 by 25. Third option. Next last 20 question. Question number 20. This f of n rationalize 4n plus root of 4n square minus 1. Rationalize means what? Root of 2n plus 1 minus root of 2n minus 1 divided by square roots will be cancelled now. What will we get? 2n plus 1 minus of 2n minus 1. So 2n cancel. Minus of minus plus 1. 1 by 2 will get. Here 4n I am writing like this. How means 2n plus 1 plus 2n minus 1. It's like whole square also we can take later. Remaining what here? 4n square minus 1 I can write root of 2n plus 1 into root of 2n minus 1. Whole multiply is what? Root of 2n plus 1 minus root of 2n minus 1. This is like a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. This is the formula for a cube minus b cube. This is a square, b square, okay? That's why this is whole value. What whole cube means? Square root whole cube. So this is total 3 by 2. Next 2n minus 1 whole power 3 by 2 is the value. Now n value substitute from 1 to up to 40 substitute. All terms cancel. It will be adding the all. We will get the first option 364. This is very easy. Apply angular bisector formula. Okay. Angular bisector is what? For first line. 3x minus 4y plus 1 by root of a square. 9 square plus 6, that is 25 plus or minus 3x plus 4y minus 7 by root 25 only will come. One time plus take. Plus means 3x plus 4y minus 7. 3x cancel. Minus 8y is equal to minus 8. Y is equal to 1. If you take negative means what will come? 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to minus 3x minus 4y plus 7 will come. Here 4y cancel. 6x is equal to 6 only. X value 1. Area clearly with respect to x-axis and y-axis. Square only na. So area clearly what you can write? Square forms 1 square. That is answer is 1. Next. This f real function, f dash is given already. G is the function defined there. We are integral 0 to x e power f of t dt is equal to integral 0 to x g of x minus t dt plus 2x plus 3. We know property integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. At present, this is there. We need to replace with f like x. X nothing but t now. Okay. Integral 0 to x e power f of t dt is equal to integral 0 to x g of t dt. Now we are differentiating definite integral values by Leibniz theorem. Now e power upper limit f of x into x derivative 1 only. Lower value 0, no problem. G of x into x derivative 1, 2x derivative 2, 3 derivative 0. Okay, from these, g of x value, what will get? E power f of x minus 2 will get. Now, we need to find the extremum value of g is lambda, then what is lambda by 3? To find that g dash of x, find out. G dash of x must be 0. E power f of x into f of x derivative f dash of x must be 0. F dash of x is equal to 0. When f dash of x is 0 means, now what is the values we need to consider, okay? Now, f dash of x, what is the terms are there? 100 into x minus 1 into x minus 2 whole square, x minus 3 whole cube, and so on, x minus 100 power 100. By first principle, first derivative test, when maxima or minima possible, now first for any value, for example, x equal to a means, for x less than a, f dash of x must be greater than 0, and then for x greater than a, f dash of x must be less than 0. But here even terms are there, 2, 4, 6, up to 100, sign does not changes. Sign does not changes means what? At that point, no maxima, no minima. Okay. Remaining points, odd numbers. Because powers also odd we are getting, that's why remaining odd values are what? Odd values are like 1, 3, 5, and so on up to how much you can take? 90. 9 is the last value. Now, sum of these all values, this is the critical points will be gives for that. At this value, you get the maximum value notation wise. Now, sum of these all values. sum what will get? 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on up to 99. And these points will get maximum as an extreme maximum value lambda. How many values we don't know. Okay, na? Find sum of all that points. Sum of odd numbers we have formula that is n square. What is n here? 50 terms. Number of terms I am telling. Number of terms is n square. Number of terms how many? 50. That's why it is clearly 50 square. 50 square means what? 2500. This is the required value of lambda. They're asking what? Lambda by 3. 2500 by 3, that is 833.33 will get. That is the answer. Next. 83 ma. It's very easy. Apply partial fractions. First divide with the denominator ma. Then apply partial fractions. Will get the right side form. Then you can compare A1, A2, A3, A4. Will get add. Next. Question number 84. 84 here, AB is a focal chord of parabola, D and C are the foot of the perpendiculars from A and B on the directrix respectively. Okay. Now, this is a focal chord. This is S. This is A. Here I am taking, for example, condition wise, that is A, B not required actually. Now, CD is a directrix. From there we drawn. This is directrix. From A point and B point we drawn a direct perpendicular, foot of the perpendicular, meets at a D point. It meets at C point. Okay. Now from this, clearly what we can conclude here, area of the trapezium also given. So we need to find length of focal chord. Now focal chord length we need to find out. Here clearly when focal chord means A to S how much is there, S to B also same because it is a parabola, distance are equal. A. Okay, next BS. AS is equal to BS. Next, here BS is also equal to which one? BC. Reason why it is not BC or not? Here condition from focal to point on the curve to equal. That's why both are equal values. Here ABC is a trapezium area given. Now the condition wise. Now, what is CD length is given? This height is the height of trapezium is 6. These two are the parallel sides. If this is A and this is B like that. Now area of trapezium. What formula? Half into sum of parallel sides. What is the parallel sides here? Parallel sides are BC plus AD into height is what? CD. This area already given 36, 1 by 2. BC is equal to what already? BS. BC equal to what? BS. AD also equal to what here? AS. AD we can write what here? AS. To CD what? 6. Now if you add BS and AS, what will get? AB only now. So AB into 6. We are 6 ones are 6 6 are. Our length AB is equal to how much? 12. Next. This is also easy, ma. I can try, no problem. Simple questions only. Now this also simple, easy manner we can do. Values wise, the conditions already given. You try this one. Next, this is also easy. Next, here S is 1 to 10 is there. The number of non-empty subsets of A is such that product of elements in A is even. Now, if you take odd numbers into product of elements, it must be even. To get even numbers, we need to take number of elements that is equal given product of all elements. We have to take x value 5 and y also 5. That means we are taking multiplying one even or odd. 2 into 3, 6 will get. Now, like that, condition one odd one even combination and both are even numbers. That's why those product will get the even number. To get that value, x value 5 and y also 5 today, this will give us exact notation, even number. So this is 2 power 5, 32. 2 2 power 5 minus 1. This is even. This is odd. Even into odd, what will get? Even. That's why x and y first we are taking one set of values all are odd, other set of values are all are even. Also, if you take product, will gives even number. Okay, now that's why even numbers 5 is there, odd numbers 5 is there in the S set. So x plus y they're asking, that is 10. Next, this is direct question ma. Intercept of tangent to the curve from to the hyperbola. You can try this question, no problem. So last question, I'll give hint. The graph I'll draw my here. So y equal to 3 minus mod of 3 minus x. This function nature changes at where? At x less than 3. At less than 3, 2 take for example, it is a positive only. That's why 3 minus of 3 minus x. 3 cancel. What you will get only here? X value will get. Now if you take x is greater than or equal to 3, here then function is 6 minus x. Okay. Next here y 3 minus x when x less than 3. X minus 3 when x greater than or equal to 3. If you take a graph, critical points clearly 3, 3 will come for this. Now first graph less than 3 means more than 3 at which it is at 6 point. Similarly, if x 0, y value 3 will get the left side. Y 0, x value 3 only will come. It forms a rhombus. Rhombus. So rhombus area, we will find this point 3, 0. If you solve, this is which line? Y is equal to x minus this is which line? Y is equal to 6 minus x. By solving this point, you will get 9 by 2, 3 by 2. Now this is taken as A, B, C, D. Now the area of rhombus. Product of both adjacent sides, AB into BC. AB length, if distance between AB you will find, you will get 3 by root 2 only. BC length also what will get? 3 by root 2. That is 9 by 2. That is we can write 4.5. Okay, thank you.